Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Joda Decor channel, where we share vintage decor inspiration for your home. If you love creating cozy and stylish spaces, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into how to mix cottage and farmhouse decor to create a home that feels both cozy and elegant. Whether you're drawn to the rustic charm of farmhouse or the quaint, homey appeal of cottage style, you'll discover how to blend these two looks effortlessly. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment letting me know which style you're more drawn to. Before we get into mixing these two styles, let's quickly define cottage and farmhouse decor. Cottage style is all about comfort, simplicity, and a slightly whimsical vibe, often with a touch of vintage flair. Think floral prints, soft pastel colors, and lots of natural light. On the other hand, farmhouse decor, often associated with the popular fixer-upper style, embraces rustic materials, wood accents, and neutral tones. It's grounded in functionality with a welcoming, lived-in feel. Knowing these core elements will help us understand how to bring them together seamlessly. The secret to mixing cottage and farmhouse decor is to find common ground. Both styles have a love for natural elements, like wood and linen, which makes them easier to combine. Start with the textures, they're a great way to bring the two together. Opt for rustic wooden furniture, but choose pieces with more intricate details or a worn finish to introduce that cottage charm. When you combine natural textures with delicate, vintage-inspired fabrics, you'll create a balanced, cozy space that isn't too heavy or too light. One of the easiest ways to merge cottage and farmhouse decor is through color. Both styles tend to favor neutral tones, like whites, creams, and soft grays. You can create a cohesive look by sticking to a light, muted color palette throughout your space. Incorporate soft pastel accents or faded florals to inject a bit of cottage charm into your farmhouse-inspired room. The key is to keep the overall vibe soft and inviting, letting the textures and patterns do the talking. When it comes to furniture, you don't have to choose between cottage or farmhouse. The beauty of blending these styles is the ability to mix furniture that combines both rustic simplicity and vintage elegance. For example, you might pair a farmhouse-style dining table with mismatched cottage-inspired chairs, creating a relaxed yet curated feel. Adding a distressed wooden hutch next to a floral armchair can balance both the charm of cottage style and the practical warmth of farmhouse decor. Textiles are a great way to blend these two styles. Cottage decor often uses soft, inviting fabrics, like linen, cotton, and wool, while farmhouse favors heavier, durable materials like burlap and thick cotton. To combine these, layer different textures in complementary shades. A farmhouse jute rug can ground the space, while cozy throw pillows and floral prints or soft stripes can add the softness and comfort of cottage style. Don't forget to add cozy throws, these are essential for both styles. Vintage finds are essential in both cottage and farmhouse styles. For a perfect blend, focus on mixing antique or vintage pieces with newer items that have a weathered finish. A well-worn wooden mirror with a floral frame can easily complement a more rustic farmhouse bench. Vintage paintings or old books can add a nostalgic, lived-in feeling to your space. Remember, when mixing the two styles, it's not about having everything match perfectly, but about creating an inviting and collected feel. Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood for any space. For a great mix of cottage and farmhouse decor, try blending industrial-style lighting with softer, more romantic touches. A large, matte metal farmhouse chandelier can coexist with delicate glass lamps with vintage floral patterns or antique-style sconces. This creates the perfect balance of rustic functionality and the romantic charm of cottage style. The lighting should make your home feel warm, welcoming, and cozy. cottage and farmhouse styles draw heavily from nature. Integrating plants into your decor will enhance the connection between these two styles. Cottage style often features a mix of potted plants, hanging baskets, and wildflowers, while farmhouse decor embraces large plants like fiddle leaf figs or trailing ivy. Mixing small floral arrangements with big leafy greens will bring in a sense of freshness and tranquility. Adding natural elements like wood baskets or ceramic planters will enhance the cozy, earthy vibe of your space. Personal touches are key to making your cottage and farmhouse mix feel truly unique. Use family heirlooms, handmade pottery, or vintage fabrics to add warmth and character to your space. Whether it's an old iron bed frame or a cherished quilt passed down through generations, these items can introduce a sense of history and personal style. Don't be afraid to layer in personal decor that reflects both the charm of cottage style and the practicality of farmhouse living. One of the biggest advantages of blending these two styles is the practicality that comes with it. Farmhouse decor emphasizes functionality, while cottage decor adds elegance. For instance, use rustic open shelving for practicality while adding vintage teacups or old glass jars for a decorative touch. The combination of usable pieces with charming accents creates a space that's not only stylish but also perfectly livable. This balance of function and elegance will ensure your home feels welcoming yet refined. And there you have it. Blending cottage and farmhouse decor creates a cozy, inviting home with just the right mix of rustic charm and elegant touches. Remember, the key is balancing textures, colors, and personal accents that reflect both styles. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which style do you prefer, cottage or farmhouse? Or maybe a mix of both? Leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more vintage decor inspiration, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.